Let's say we want to print hello if a is equal to 5, bonjour if a is equal to 10, and bye if a is neither of these values. We'll use our if condition and check whether a is 5, then we'll print hello. Now, we can use another if statement combined with an else statement when our first if condition fails. When a is not equal to 5, we'll now check if a is equal to 10 and print bonjour if a is equal to 10. If both of these cases fail, then we can simply write an else case where we'll just print by. This else case will only work if both of the above conditions fail and a has any other value other than 5 or 10. Let's try to run our code with a equals to 5. Then the first condition is satisfied and hello is printed. The else conditions are not checked because the first condition itself got satisfied. Now when a equals to 10, our first condition gets failed and the code gets into the other if condition and bonjour is printed. Now for any value other than 5 or 10, bye is printed because both of the above conditions are failed, and when all the if conditions get failed, our code in the else statement gets executed. For any other value, the last case, that is bye, will be printed.